cupping, mate. Today we arrived in Shisha and well, nearly there, the tip of Australia, end of the big trip. Tomorrow another day, and that's it. The last few Ks of trip, big trip. Nearly there, in the tip of Australia, the most northern tip. Well, this is it, the end of the big trip through so many countries, and finally I'm here at the tip of Australia, the most northern point. I want to say thank you to the people who have supported me, all these guys, thank you so much, and of course the family and all the people who helped me out on the way. And talking about people, I've met so many nice people from so many countries, and yeah, it's great. It's just great. You know, it's awesome. But this is really the end, and well, escape from the race.